Volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Let us see an example. A shot put is a metallic sphere of a radius 4.9 centimeter. If the density of metal is 7.8 grams per cubic centimeter, then find the mass of the shot put. Solution. Volume of the shot put is equal to 4 divided by 3 is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 upon 3 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 4.9 multiplied by 4.9 multiplied by 4.9 cubic centimeter is equal to 493 cubic centimeter. Apart from this, the density of the metal per cubic centimeter is equal to 7.8 grams. Therefore, mass of the shot put is equal to 7.8 multiplied by 493 grams is equal to 3845.44 grams is equal to 3.85 kilograms.